Hey there, homeowners. A broken garbage disposer can give you a sinking feeling, especially when your sink is filled with wastewater. But there's no need to panic. I'm Beth Allen of DIY Hip Chicks, and I want to share these simple hacks to help you skip the plumber visit and get that sink cleared out. If the disposer has power, but something seems jammed, you can dislodge the object by manually rotating the blades from below. No fingers in the disposer, please. Place a disposer wrench or an Allen wrench into the center hole on the underside of the motor and rotate. Use tongs to grab the loose object and run the disposer again. If you have a disposer that just doesn't run, it has lost power. Try these steps. Number 1, reset the disposer motor. It has a built-in circuit breaker that may have tripped. Press and hold for 10 seconds, then try to run it again. Number 2, check to see if it is plugged in under the sink. Remember, some models are hardwired with no plug. Number 3, reset the GFI in the kitchen to restore power. Number 4, check to see if the circuit breaker in the main box has tripped and needs to be reset. If you have done these steps and still have no success, it is time to call a pro. You may need a new disposer. You can buy it yourself to save money and ask your plumber for an installation quote. The average cost to install it is about $150, or you could learn to do it yourself.